Welcome to Learning English with Jennifer and Levent. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent. So glad you joined us.
Levent, I love your blue shirt today.
Thank you. And I like your red dress.
Thank you. And that's today's topic.
Colors.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Jennifer and Levent.
Hello, Jennifer. Hello, listener.
How are you today, Levent?
I'm great. And listener, how are you?
I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes. It's a very good topic. Very important.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes. And click the like button. And please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
Today, we're learning about colors.
Colors are everywhere. In your clothes, in your home, in nature.
This is a fun and useful lesson.
Let's start learning.
First, let's learn the basic colors.
Color number 1 is red.
Red is a warm, bright color, like fire or like blood.
Repeat it with me. Red.
Here's a red apple. Red.
Color number 2 is blue.
Blue is a cool color, like the sky, like the ocean.
Repeat it with me. Blue.
My shirt is blue. Blue.
Color number 3 is yellow.
Yellow is a bright, happy color, like the sun, like a banana.
Repeat it with me. Yellow.
Yellow is my favorite color. Color number 4 is green.
Green is the color of nature, like grass, like trees.
Repeat it with me. Green.
I see green plants everywhere.
Color number 5 is orange.
Orange is warm and energetic, like an orange fruit.
Repeat it with me. Orange.
Orange is between red and yellow.
Color number 6 is purple.
Purple is a rich color, like grapes, like flowers.
Repeat it with me. Purple.
Some people call it violet. Color number 7, black.
Black is the darkest color, like night, like dark coffee.
Repeat, black.
My shoes are black. Color number 8 is white.
White is the lightest color, like snow, like clouds.
Repeat it with me. White.
This paper is white. Color number 9 is brown.
Brown is an earthy color, like wood, like chocolate.
Repeat it with me. Brown.
My eyes are brown. Color number 10 is pink.
Pink is a light, soft color, like flowers, like some sunsets.
Repeat it with me. Pink.
Pink is red mixed with white.
Great! Now you know 10 colors.
Now let's learn how to describe things using colors.
We use this pattern. The thing is color.
For example, the car is red.
The sky is blue.
The grass is green.
Repeat the pattern. The car is red.
The sky is blue.
The grass is green.
Let's practice with more examples.
The banana is yellow.
Repeat after me. The banana is yellow.
The apple is red.
Repeat after me. The apple is red.
The tree is green.
Repeat after me. The tree is green. Great job! You can also talk about your things.
Use my thing is.
For example, my shirt is blue.
My dress is red.
My shoes are black.
Notice, if you have two things, use are, not is.
One shoe is black. Two shoes are black.
To ask about colors, say, what color is it?
Repeat after me. What color is it?
Let me show you. Levent, what color is my dress?
Your dress is red.
Correct. What color is your shirt?
My shirt is blue.
Perfect.
Conversation 1. Shopping.
I'm looking for a new shirt.
What color do you want?
I want a white shirt.
They have white shirts over there.
Great. Thank you.
Let's repeat that conversation slowly.
I'm looking for a new shirt.
What color do you want?
I want a white shirt.
They have white shirts over there.
Great. Thank you.
Conversation 2. Describing things.
What color is your car?
My car is black. What about your car?
My car is white.
Nice. Black and white are classic colors.
Yes, I agree. Let's repeat that conversation slowly.
What color is your car?
My car is black. What about your car?
My car is white.
Nice. Black and white are classic colors.
Yes, I agree.
Conversation 3. Favorites.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What about you?
I love yellow. It's so bright and happy.
Yellow is a good color.
Do you like red?
Yes, I like red too. Let's repeat that conversation slowly.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What about you?
I love yellow. It's so bright and happy.
Yellow is a good color.
Do you like red?
Yes, I like red too.
Practice 1. Name the color.
Look at the object and say the color.
What color is it?
It's red. The apple is red.
What color is it?
It's blue. The sky is blue.
What color is it?
It's green. The grass is green.
What color is it?
It's yellow. The sun is yellow.
What color is it?
It's orange. The orange is orange.
What color is it?
It's purple. The flower is purple.
What color is it?
It's white. The duck is white.
What color is it?
It's brown. The bear is brown.
What color is it?
It's pink. The bow is pink.
Great job! Practice 2. Complete the sentence.
Complete these sentences.
The sun is...
The sun is yellow.
The night sky is...
The night sky is black.
Chocolate is...
Chocolate is brown.
Practice 3. Your things.
Now describe your things. Answer out loud.
What color is your shirt?
What color are your shoes?
What color is your phone?
What's your favorite color?
Great practice.
Excellent work today.
You learned 10 important colors.
Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, black, white, brown, and pink.
And you learned to say, the car is red, or my shirt is blue.
You also learned to ask, what color is it?
Practice looking around you. Say the colors of things you see.
In the next episode, we're learning about weather.
Sunny, rainy, hot, cold.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Comment below. Tell us, what's your favorite color?
See you next time.
Keep learning English.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.